In this video, we can add the office location, but the office locations are not available in our existing application. Anyhow, we can add into our new application. So already we have downloaded some images, some office location images we have downloaded. These images, these locations we can try to include in our application. So how we can able to include our office location means, again we have to provide the same comment section. We need to provide office location started here and office location ended here. Ended. Here we need to provide ended, ended. I can select our whole code and format selection. Yes, now we have an appropriate section now. So in this section we need to include office location. So we here also we can divide three partition and we can provide the image. So anyhow, the existing application it's not available. Anyhow, we can include in our current application only. So this new changes we can do it. So how we can able to do it means, again same thing, div.row and div.call -md-3, because we would like to make it as a three columns. That's the reason we make it as a 3. And below the row we need to make it as a h4. So we would like to provide our office locations. So we can provide one title called our office locations. We can make it as a center class text-center. We can make it as a center. Again, we can save these changes and go to our application. We can see, yes, we can able to see our office section, something we can able to see our office location. So now if we would like to see our office location, I would like to apply the p-4. I would like to include. So currently I can able to see office location. So in the office location, we would like to include the image. So what are the images we have downloaded? The same image we can copy these images and we can keep it in our images folder only. So under images folder we can paste. So the same images only we can able to browse. The first one called is, which one means images location 1. So we can provide alt tag office location 1, and the same thing you can copy and paste for remaining columns also. This is image called 2. Yes, this is 2, and this is for 3. Yes, and same thing for we need to provide alt tag 3 and 2. Save these particular changes and we can see in our application. See, we can able to see the 3 images, those are overlapped with each other. So we can provide the Bootstrap class. So again we can go to our application and we can search for image. So images, not here, we can search for images. So responsive image. How we can able to make the responsive image? So by using img fluid. The same class only we'll try to include, otherwise we can include the thumbnail also. So it's better we can able to include image fluid, copy this one, and we need to provide for each class wise. For every image we can provide as a class image fluid, class image fluid, and class image fluid. Yes, we have saved this one. Again, you can go and see here. Yes, the three images are available appropriately. So again, they're getting different size. So we can, if you want to make the width and height same, also we can able to do it. So again, we can able to write justify content evenly. Yes, save this one. And again, if we can observe, yes, evenly it was the equal it was shared now. So if we can apply P5 means, yes, we can able to see the images properly. Yes, images we can able to view properly, and we can provide the width of these images is equal width we can provide. So class style we can provide style width we can provide 50%. So not 50%, better we can make it as a 100 pixel width, and height also we can make it a height also we can make it as a 100 pixel. We can see now. Same thing we can provide for every image now. For every image, we will try to provide the same height and width now. We'll see now. Is there any changes we can able to observe or not? Or equal images we can able to view. So all images are showing as equal size. So I would like to make it as a, instead of 100, we'll make it as a 200. Because our image is having different size only. So we need to modify here. That looks like they looks into same size. That is the changes we would like to do. Again save these changes. Again go here. See our images are equal size only. Better we can make it as a 300 something. Okay, we can see yes, the images we can able to see properly. So we'll do one thing. The height we can make it as a 250, width we can make it as a 300. So width is 300 is fine, but height we can make it as a 250. So, because we would like to see in the rectangular shape. So again, if you can see this particular one, yes, now it looks properly only. Yes, we are added the images. Once after adding the images, the three images, so next step we can provide the border for the image. How we can able to provide the border? So again, go to our application. So border, Bootstrap application. We can search for the border. Yes, do have a border? Yes, we can go and search for the border. Yes, currently we have a border called how much means this is the one rounded 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4 4 or 5 we'll try to take it. We can take it as a 4 and we can include it here. So what is the purpose we are applying this style means because those images are looks in a different size. Because of that reason we have applying the style. Now again if we can go here, yes, the images are getting the appropriate border only. So below the each image we can provide the location name. Yes, currently we can provide the location name. Okay, better we can provide H6. The location name is Vijayanagara. And next one, Rajajinagar. Next one we can provide Jayanagar or Basaveshnagar. So there are three locations we are added, and again we'll go and see this one. So we'll try to see this one in a center only. So that's the reason we can try to add it center class text center. The same class we can include for every image. Yes, we included the center, and again we can include one line of text. So we can include one line of text called which one? Paragraph lorem. So we don't need to include the big size, just we can include one line. So we can just remove this particular one. The same thing you can add for. So here also we can provide text center. We can add this particular setup for each and every image wise. Yes, again if we can go here, yes, we can able to see this particular changes. Yes, we can add our office location. Once after adding the office location, the next we'll try to add as per our application wise, what the existing application, we can try to add our team members. So this particular changes, our office location, it was not available in our existing application. Only for this particular current application only we have included. The next video we can try to add our our team members.